In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a sheet in Excel. Renaming your sheets is one of the simplest ways to keep a workbook organized and easy to navigate. Clear, descriptive names help you jump straight to the data you need, improve collaboration, and make your formulas and reports easier to understand at a glance. Whether you're working on a budget, a project tracker, or a monthly report, a quick rename can save you time later. Here's how to do it. Look to the bottom of your Excel window and find the tab for the sheet you want to rename. These tabs are usually labeled something like Sheet 1 or Sheet 2 when they're brand new. To begin, right-click the Sheet tab you want to change. When you do this, Excel makes the tab name ready for editing. You'll notice the current name becomes highlighted, which means you can immediately start typing your new name. Go ahead and start typing. As you enter the name, keep a few simple rules and best practices in mind. Excel sheet names can be up to 31 characters long. They need to be unique within the same workbook, so you can't have two tabs with the exact same name. You also can't use certain special characters, such as colons, slashes, question marks, asterisks, or square brackets. If you use something that isn't allowed, Excel will let you know. Aim for names that are specific but concise, like Jan budget, Q1 sales, or tasks completed. Consistency helps too, especially when you have many sheets. Once you've typed the new name, press Enter to confirm, or simply click anywhere outside the tab. Excel will apply the change right away. If for some reason the name doesn't appear editable after you right-click, try again on the tab itself, and make sure you're clicking directly on the tab label. If it still won't change, your workbook may be protected, or you might not have editing access, so check your permissions. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Avoid trailing spaces at the end of a sheet name. They can be hard to spot and may cause confusion. If your workbook uses formulas that reference sheet names, Excel will automatically update those references when you rename a sheet. But it's still a good habit to review critical formulas or any external links after a change. And if you have lots of tabs, use the small navigation arrows at the left of the tab row to scroll and find the one you need before renaming. That's it. Right-click the Sheet tab, start typing, and you're done. Clean names, clearer workbooks, and faster navigation.